Tired of keeping your awesome Qlik Sense app hidden away on your own computer? I'm going to show you how to publish it absolutely free so anyone can access and explore your insights. Let's dive right in first. Open your Qlik Sense desktop. Locate the app you want to share and click the three dots on the top right corner of the app. Now, click Publish. In the Publish app dialog box, make sure you are publishing to your personal stream. If you don't publish to your personal stream, then this will not work. Now, the next step is to sign up for Qlik Cloud. If you haven't already, head to Qlik and create a free account. This is where your published app will live. After logging into Qlik Cloud, you'll find your personal space. Go to your Qlik Sense desktop again and publish it to the cloud by selecting your personal stream. Once the upload is complete, your app will appear in your personal space in Qlik Cloud. You can now share the link with anyone you want, and they can access it without needing a Qlik Sense license. Just click on the app, grab the shareable link, and send it out. It's that simple. Now go forth and share your amazing Qlik Sense creations with the world.